Hello students, today we are going to see another topic, new topic, properties of triangles. This topic is related to the trigonometry only. Okay? First of all, we have to see some formulae, very important to do the problems. Understand? The formulae. Topic name is properties of triangles. Formulae. This is triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, opposite to angle A, we should take the side BC, length is small a. Opposite to angle B, small b. Opposite to angle C, length is small c. So, BC equal to small a, CA equal to small b, AB equal to small c. This is in triangle ABC, perimeter. Perimeter nothing but AB plus BC plus CA is perimeter. We know the values of AB, BC, CA. This is A plus B plus C. This perimeter A plus B plus C is generally denoted by 2S. Then S equal to, we say that A plus B plus C by 2. This is semi-perimeter of triangle ABC. To find the area of triangle, we have various formulae are there. Here, one of the formula delta equal to root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. We have another formula delta equal to half BC sin A, half AC sin B, half AB sin C. Delta equal to ABC by 4R. Delta equal to 2R square sin A sin B sin C. We have some more important formula are there. The another formula is as like this. The another formula. This is sine rule. Sine rule. That is A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin capital C equal to 2 capital R. What is, listen one thing, a note condition. Capital S means center of circumcenter. Circumcenter. This is capital R. Circumradius. Understand? Circumradius. One more formula is there. Cosine rule. Okay? Cosine rule. The cosine rule as like this. A square equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. This is one of the cosine rule. A square equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Another formula is that as like this. B square equal to, take chain rule. B square equal to C square plus A square minus 2CA cos B. This is B square formula according to cosine rule. C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Cosine. Next one is projection formulae. Projection formulae as like this. Okay? The projection formula are as like this. A equal to B cos C angle C plus C cos angle B. B equal to, take chain taken cyclic order. Okay. After A, B, C. B equal to C cos A plus A cos C. Next, C equal to A cos B plus B cos A, as like this. Understand? These are the projection formulae. Understand? So, according to this, we have some more formula are there, as like this. The another formula is half angle formula. Half angle formulae. Half angle formulae, as like this. Okay. One of the half angle formula, sin A by 2 equal to root of S minus B, S minus C by BC. S minus B, S minus C by BC. Okay. Similarly, sin B by 2 equals to under root of S minus C, S minus A by CA. Understand? Next, sin C by 2 equals to, okay, under root of S minus A, S minus B by AB. This is. Next, similarly, we can take the formula for cos A by 2, cos B by 2, cos C by 2. Cos A by 2 equals to root of S into S minus A by BC. This is the formula for cos A by 2. Similarly, we can write the value of cos B by 2 equals to under root of S into S minus B by CA, cos B by 2. In the same way, we can write the formula for cos C by 2. Cos C by 2 equals to root of S into S minus C by AB. With the help of sin and cos, we can write the formula for tan A by 2, tan B by 2, tan C by 2, and cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2. We can write formula for as like this. One more important formula as like this. Okay. Okay, we have one more formula for tan A by 2, tan B by 2, tan C by 2, cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2. Okay, we can write the formula for, okay, we have the formula for cot A by 2 as like this. Very important formula. Cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2. Okay. Cot A by 2, next formula. Cot A by 2 equals to, we can write the formula as cot A by 2 equals to S into S minus A by delta. Cot B by 2. S into S minus B by delta. Cot C by 2. S into S minus C by delta. Actually, we can write cot A by 2 means cos A by 2 by sin A by 2. Understand? According to that formula, we can make the new formula as like this. Cot A by 2 equals to S into S minus A by delta. Cot B by 2 equal to S into S minus B by delta. Cot C by 2 equal to S into S minus B by delta. Understand? Okay? These are the formulae. These are some important formulae to do the problems. Let us go for a problem. Okay? Question as like this. Question is, if cot A by 2 is one problem, if cot A by 2, if cot A by 2 is cot B by 2 is to cot C by 2 equals to 3 is to 5 is to 7. 3 is to 5 is to 7. Then show that A is to B is to C equals to 6 is to 5 is to 4. A is to B is to C equals to 6 is to 5 is to 4. Okay? Like this. Listen. What is given according to the questions? Let us see. What is given? Given cot A by 2 is cot B by 2 is cot C by 2 equals to 3 is 5 is 7. Understand? I have just now already told you the formula of cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 as like this. Cot A by 2 formula S into S minus A by delta is S into S minus B by delta is S into S minus C by delta equals to 3 is to 5 is to 7. In ratio, if any equal value is there, cancel it. S by delta, S by delta, S by delta. S minus A is S minus B is S minus C equals to 3 is 5 is 7. Understand? So, this can be taken as, to neglect the ratio, take S minus A equal to any ratio proportional constant K. S minus B equals to any another proportional constant 5K. S minus C equals to 7K. Okay? As like this. Okay? Now, here, now, we can take as like this. S minus A plus S minus B plus S minus C equals to, adding them, 3K plus 5K plus 7K. 3K plus 5K plus 7K. Understand? How many S terms are there? 3 S minus of A plus B plus C equal to 15K. Understand? We know the value of A plus B plus C. How much? 2S equal to 15K. What is S value? 15K. With the help of S, we can take the value of S equals to, we got 15k. Now, listen. So, we are going to find the value of ABC as like this. So, S minus A value how much? 3k. You know S value 15k minus A equal to 3k. What is the value of A? A equal to 12k. Next, S minus B equals to 5k. Understand? Yes, 15k minus B equal to 5k. B equal to how much? With this B equal to 10k. Understand? Like this. Now, the continuation as like this. Okay? The continuation of this problem, S minus C equal to how much k? 7k. This implies that S value 15k minus C equal to 7k, C equal to 8k. Therefore, A is to B is to C equal to A value 12k, B value 10k, C value 8k. Okay, k get cancelled in 2 table. 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10, 2 4 are 8. So, therefore, A is to B is to C equal to 6 is 5 is to 4. Understand? Okay. Next, the next one is we are going to find the value of if small a equal to. The next question is if small a equals to root 3 plus 1. Okay, centimeters. Capital B equal to 30 degrees. Angle B. Angle C 45. Angle B 30. Angle C 45. Find small c. Understand? Listen. Here. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to how much? 180 degrees. Angle A, angle B 30, angle C 45 equal to 180. What will come? A equal to 180 minus 75 degrees. So what will come? 105. Understand? By sine rule, we have A by sine A equal to C by sine C. We can write like this also. The relation we can take in this form also. We know all the values small a root 3 plus 1 by sine 105 degrees. Okay. C by, we are going to find this value by sine 45 degrees. C value 45, angle C. Sine 105. Find 105 value. Sin 1 into 90 plus 15 degrees. So what will come? Cos 15. What will come here? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is sin 105. Now substitute here. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 equal to c by 1 by root 2. Understand? Okay. So finally it will come as like this. Okay. Root 3 plus 1 into 2 root 2 by root 3 plus 1 equal to root 2 c. Understand? This is get cancelled, root 2 get cancelled. What is the value of c? Came as 2. Okay? The remaining problems we should do in the next class. Understand? Okay? Right. 2 centimeters.